Hey guys, Mario here. We are filming today at some very special locations and iconic locations in New York City for the new SuperSatin campaign, so follow along with us. We are at Flatiron Sephora on 19th and 5th. This is where exactly 24 years ago I started my career in makeup, so come along with me so I can take you in. So welcome to Sephora. How are you guys? So guys, fun fact, I still walk into Sephora and I still straighten up the gauntlets, not just makeup and Mario, I'm talking about all of them because I'm so used to it from when I was younger and I was always walking around and cleaning. So if you catch me at a Sephora like organizing gauntlets, don't be surprised. Okay, so which camera am I talking to? My very first makeup application was also right here in front of these windows, and one night when it wasn't very busy, I asked my store manager if I could please do someone's makeup, and so she said yes, and I actually went around with a basket. I picked all these shades and I did her makeup, and it took me 3 hours. However, she came out really, really beautiful, and actually that is what inspired the shade Flatiron. I don't know what shade I used on her 24 years ago, but in my mind it was exactly this beautiful, stunning, warm beige shade. It's just a classic, beautiful satin formula that I tried to recreate, to kind of recreate that moment here in the store. All right, guys, that is a wrap on Sephora Flatiron. Stay tuned to see part 2. Bye.